Hello viewers, once again welcome kura chanai di ase amnan ke update kuri thakan nishna ajibi Pakistan India tension opore latest development ki ase edu chanai di bole video loigena ahi ase. Wednesday din day US Secretary of State Marco Rubio bra India laga external affair minister S J Shankar aro Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif ke call kurigena tai bra conversation thakise. Edu laga conversation thaka homoide US Secretary of State Marco Rubio bra the leader of both countries ke tension do hole de-escalate kuru nimide appeal kura thakise. India laga external affair minister S J Shankar aro US Secretary of State Marco Rubio taijon conversation thaka homoide US Secretary of State Marco Rubio bra 22nd April 2025 terror attack te kiman manu life loss kurise aro victim family khan ke condolence message convey kura thakise aro tai progresi ki India lorde khara kurigina terrorism nimide fight kuru kugina on behalf of USA reaffirm kura chanai di ase 22nd April 2025 Pahalgam terror attack hua bichide 1 week chaise 1 week cha bichide India bra ekta notam issue dise notam mane notice to airmen edu laga notification hisab te Pakistan laga commercial airline nohele military flight khan hole India laga mathi opore nu urule air space to hole cross kura honi ba ase edu laga notification issue kura sat itia honi ase ki Pakistan laga commercial airlines nohele military flight khan hole India mathi avoid kurigina thaka honi ba ase etia moi prokoi dia nisna April 30 to May 23rd tak to hole Pakistan laga air space to hole India re cross kurigina ase enaga cross kura bichide India laga western border phale India bra advanced jumping system to hole deployed kura honi ba ase edia mohan sopra jani ase ki satellite system use kurigina he missile strike nole air strike to carry out kurula pare to enega Pakistan khan brata khan laga global navigation satellite system use kurigina India re air strike nohole missile strike to nakuru nimide edu laga network system to pia kuri dibun nimide western border phale India khan bra advanced jumping system hole deployed kurigina thaka honi ba ase India laga jumping system bra multiple satellite based navigation platform ke interfere kurula para honi ba ase for example US laga GPS Russia laga Clone S nohele China laga Biden kundu satellite based navigation platform ase edu khan ke India laga jumping system bra interfere kuru pare aro disrupt kuri dibole para honi ba ase so viewers western border phale Indian khan bra advanced jumping system to kile deployed kuri ase gole do Pakistan khan bra tai khan laga satellite based navigation platform use kurigina India ke air strike kurule naparu nimide edu han to disrupt kuri dibu nimide edia India khan bra western border phale advanced jamming system dhole deploy kurigina thaka viewers an anan ke chanai di ase 2008 Mumbai terror attack or recently happened hua Pahalgam terror attack behind the main mastermind Lashkar-e-Taiba laga chief Hafiz Saeed kuntu India laga most wanted terrorist ase tai laga location do hole Tuesday din de track kurula para thakise enega track kura bichide itia huni ase ki Pakistan army khan aro drone khan do hole deployed kurigina tai laga location de security do hole 24/7 PC type ra rakhikana thaka honi bai ase aji Thursday din de India laga National Investigation Agency chief Sadanand Ted to hole Pahalgam de ahigina recently terror attack hua jaga Baisaran Valley de investigation proof nimide visit kura honi ba ase tai enaka Baisaran Valley de visit kurigina 3 hours nimide attack hua jaga de on ground assessment hole contact kurigina 3 hours pgde CRPF camp de return kura viewers kan anhan ke chanai di ase 22nd April 2025 Pahalgam attack hua pgde India government bra Pakistani nationals India re kiman ase Pakistan de jabole order dise aro etu laga opore 30 April 2025 laga pichide India aro Pakistan majore thaka adari porto do hole totally cross down kurubo goigina thagise hole bi etia dak Pakistani nationals manukhan India charigina jabole na paragan PC ase etu nimide India government bra adari porto do hole open gurigina Pakistan khan do hole etu laga porto bra jabole paribo goigina further notice no ala tak to hole idia adari porter do hole khuli kena thaga honi ba ase India laga National Investigation Agencies khan bra latest development ekta khobo pa to hole 22nd April 2025 Dero attack kundu Pasaran Valley de hoise etu attack noha gide April 15 2025 tinde tinda jagare chaigena kundu jagare attack tu kurila phal hobo kugena tahan plan kura thagise aro tahan bra amusement park in Pahalgam de attack kurbo kugena tahan first plan kura thagise holebi tate security de hole pisi tight hwa nimide edu charigena 22nd April 2025 tinde Pasaran Valley de attack hwa thagise investigation de proof kurula para ekta ruki ase gulo do Pasaran Valley de attack hwa time de terrorist khan bra ultra state communication system use kurigena attack kura honi bai ase edu ultra state communication system du ki ase gulo do without sim card tahan bra actun ke message to exchange kurula para system ekta ase kugena honi ba ase so viewers edu laga system use kurigena 22nd April 2025 Pahalgam Dero attack to hole terrorist khan bra carry out kura viewers an amnan ge chanai di ase India chai thaga India or Pakistan tension obode full alerted thago nimide aro ki hoile pi edu hando tackle kurula paro nimide Indian Navy khan bra Arabian Sea de within its economic zone de multiple anti-ship or anti-aircraft firing to hole conduct kura honi ba ase idui nogena Air Force khan bra or Army khan bra nichu laga hisab te idia full ready de preparedness to hole contact kurigena thaga viewsan amnan ge chanai di ase Pahalgam Dero attack hwa bijide 10 days hoise holebi idiadak National Investigation Agencies khan bra edu laga attack te samil hwa terrorist khan hole action bi track kurula na para huni ba ase tahan bra edu kile track kurula na bari kole do hilly area hoa bra nohile overground workers khan bra madad kura nimide nohile natural shelters like cave khan bra tahandu lokai gana ase kugana honi ba ase idiarak National Investigation Agencies khan duhele Pahalgam de camping kurigina 22nd April 2024 Pahalgam Dero attack te samil hua terrorist khan laga opore manhunt du kurigina thaka viewsan amnan ge chanai di ase Pahalgam Dero attack opore India khan bra chuakali Pakistan laga airspace to hole close down kuri dia thagise idia itui nohegina Pakistani ship from Indian port pi close down kurula ase holebi itia officially announce kura nai holebi idu effect to hole likely to be met soon kugna honiba ase recently happened hua Pahalgam attack opore phal pra proof to kuru laki kugna Supreme Court ke petition dia thagise edu laka opore Supreme Court khan bra inaka tension thaka homoy de Pahalgam de ki hoise edu proof manga do hole thik nai kugena edu petition do hole cancel kuri dia aro withdraw kuri dia viewers kan amnan ge short te chanai di ase India or Pakistan tension opore monso pi husia hobo lage edu laga tension opore idia Assam de ki hoy ase hona sabte so far 36 individuals including MLA action do hole Assam police khan bra arrest kurigena ase kugena honi ba ase tahandu kile arrest kurise gulo do India or Pakistan laga tension opore pro Pakistan sentiment social media de aro alak platform de edu 36 individuals khan bra Pakistan khan ge support kurigena aro in favor of Pakistan message khan do hole text kura nimide nohile upload kuri dia nimide nohile social media de Pakistan ke support kurigena kotha han kwa nimide 36 individuals khan do Assam de arrest kurigena thaka honi ba ase edu bra viewers khan India or Pakistan laga tension opore monso pi husia hobo lage ki nokobo ki kobo janegena nichu jagare husia bor thakbole viewers khan amnan ge edibi chanai di ase Aji Thursday din de India laga External Affairs Minister S.J. Shankar aro South Korean counterpart Cho Dayun over the phone kotha kwa thakise etu laga conversation de in all forms and manifestation terrorism against the fight kurule tajun conversation thakise aro Mr. J. Shankar bra South Korean manukhan bra Pahalgam attack opore solidarity dekhai dia nimide aro terrorist against the fight kurule khara kura nimide thanks dia viewers an anan ke chanai di ase the state of Gadabra ekta deep concern express kurigna India or Pakistan tension to escalate nohobo nimide duita countries ke bi maximum restraint hole maintain gurule request kura appeal kura or encourage kura viewers an anan ke chanai di ase So viewers achi laga video de Pahalgam attack hua biji de India aur Pakistan majode tension olai kena ase to etu laga tension opore latest development ki ase achi laga video ba share kuri di ase. Thank you everyone for watching my video.